Hi everyone, Cindy Squirrel here. It's May 20th and the garden center's open. Wish me luck. I'm only going in for asparagus. Okay, so I got my asparagus. 5 roots for $8.99. But apples, 81. I need this. 73. Honey crisp.
Max, do you want me to lock the gate now?
And pears. Wash pear. Zone 4. Wouldn't take a chance on that one. Up here. It's not gonna grow. So yeah, don't do it. It's a trap. I did get the asparagus, but let's see now. The currant, this was the only one they had. Red Lake currant. It was $13.99. And then I got 2 Cupid Dwarf cherries. They were $14.99 each, and yeah, I got the asparagus for $8.99. But then these totes were on sale, and they were under $10 each, and it's like, you know, I could always use another container or 2 or 3. So yeah, it's a trap. Don't go into a garden center.